Erosion control blankets keep the landscape in place. When construction projects break ground, erosion control blankets keep the landscape in place. But what are erosion control blankets, and when do we need to use them? First, let's consider why erosion is such an important topic. Looking at so-called solid ground, it really isn't that solid. In fact, it's always moving, but at a glacial pace. Moving any faster is disastrous, though. Vegetation is one way nature keeps erosion in check, but construction projects usually require removing that vital protective layer. Rain, snowmelt, and wind can erode unprotected ground. Silt runoff damaging to aquatic life. Erosion is so serious, in fact, that contractors can be fined for not taking appropriate steps to control it. When breaking ground for a construction project, erosion control blankets can be used to keep the landscape in place. Rolled erosion control products, or RECPs, are rolled blankets of photo, biodegradable natural, or synthetic fibers. RECPs, such as erosion control blankets and turf reinforcement mats, when placed over seeded soil, can prevent erosion until the seed germinates. By the time the erosion control blanket deteriorates, between 1 and 3 years, the vegetation cover will have fully developed, anchoring the soil naturally. While erosion control blankets are a great way to keep erosion at bay, poor installation practices are the most common reason they fail. To protect the environment and avoid fines, proper erosion control blanket installation is a must. Before placing erosion control blankets on your project, start by grading and compacting the slope, removing all debris. After applying appropriate seed and soil amendments, such as grass and fertilizer, anchor the RECP in a trench at the top of the slope. Walk the RECP backwards down the slope, ensuring it is in intimate contact with the ground. As needed, lay down additional RECPs, overlapping 15 centimeters. Finally, use biodegradable stakes or metal wire staples to affix the erosion control blanket to the ground. Refer to manufacturer recommendations regarding erosion control blanket installation, adapting to your individual project. Consult with Geosynthetic systems experts to develop an erosion control plan for your next construction project.